Welcome to the channel. Today we have 2004 Honda Element. We're going to be seeing and trying to figure out how reliable this vehicle is. It's a four-door wagon, classified as a wagon, 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter, all-wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive. I don't see no all-wheel four-wheel drive here, but that's what the Carfax says. Now there's a bunch of different variations of the four-wheel drive. We got no accidents, 2 previous owners, 15 service history records. I always mess that up. Last owned in California. It says corporate and then personal California and California. So this vehicle's only been owned in California, so rust free. Let me show you guys the outside of our vehicle. Ka-cha!
What's up, fool?
Later, Jay. Now that you know what the vehicle looks like, you also know the condition of the outside of the vehicle. Let me show you guys what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good, but there's one last thing we need to do, and we need to see what it drives like in order to find out how reliable it is. The interior condition is also very important. You can see the steering wheel is in very, very good shape. There is no wear on the steering wheel. A little dirty. Whoa, the honk sounds weird. It sounds terrible. We got our cruise control buttons here. We'll test those out. Our AC is here. Feels very good. I like these knobs. They're gymongous. Really easy to see what's going on. Radio here and radio controls here. Sounds good so far, but I'm not going to show you all that. Here's our lights. Here's to pop this open, and then you can actually see what you're going to grab. That's a cool feature. Lights here. We got a rear sunroof. And then we have our rear seats, and they slide up, and that's totally awesome. So unique to this vehicle. I want to go over here. And that's it. Like that, and there you have it. Easy peasy. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? Off-road, woo! Go anywhere, ready to sleep. Actually, I wouldn't sleep on that, but you never know. It has 145,000 miles, and if you are on the market for a Honda Element, you're probably asking yourself, why are these Honda Elements so expensive? They're crazy. Well, it's probably because they're Hondas. They're 4 cylinders, and look at this carpet. This is just a rugged vehicle. And I believe that is why these Honda Elements are so expensive. Let me turn on my lights. We got some red action going on. The cluster shines red. And this car is actually green on the outside, green on the inside. This is our rough road. It's gonna be our rough road test. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Also, let me know about your Honda Elements. If you guys have a Honda Element or anything, any variation of this, let me know what you guys think of yours. Let me know how much miles yours has. Post them up. After our rough road test, the Element's got a little bit of squeaks. There's a squeak from the interior coming from the inside, and it might be like a panel that's loose or something. Suspension wise, I don't think there's any noise in the suspension. I think there's something squeaking on the interior. But I'm pretty sure with the radio on, AC maybe a little higher, I won't be able to hear it. But that is what I'm hearing. It's kind of over here on the passenger side, I believe. You know what, the vehicle's not perfect, it's used. And I actually did remove a lot of these panels and different things to clean it. I'm the one that cleaned this vehicle. I compounded, polished, waxed it, so the paint is completely sealed. I also did the interior. In a bold vehicle like this, if you're gonna buy it used, expect to see it dirty. This is called a Honda Element, a hardcore all-wheel drive fanatic of this car is probably taking this thing camping, fishing, everywhere. I mean, I would too. That's why I would buy something like this, because this thing is just versatile. Let's hit the freeway. So 0 to 60, not very fast. It's just a 2.4 liter, makes 160 horsepower, so it's not fast at all. I'm going 60 miles an hour, 65 and perfect. No shakiness in the wheel. Look, ma, no hands. 80 miles an hour. Woo! I got no issue with the alignment. The wheel is running perfectly smooth, perfectly straight. Let's do a quick brake test. So I was going 60, slowed all the way down to 40. No shakiness in the wheel. The brakes just grabbed, and that's what we want to see. So far so good. You can see 145 miles. We're low on gas, but it's a 4-cylinder. This gets 26 mpg on the freeway, and I believe about 22 in the city. It's not bad for a 4-cylinder. Also, you can see the temperature there is good. It's idling really good. I will tell you this thing is not very fast. It's slow, but that's what you would expect from a 2004 Honda Element that's got 145,000 miles 4-wheel drive. This thing is not meant to go very fast. Oh man, that was like one of the slowest 0 to 60s ever. I was like, is it gonna hit 60? But pretty cool. You could hear the motor, and it did a little like a little hiss every time it shifted gears, which just sounded cool. But yeah, not very fast. It's not a fast, I mean, I left everyone in the dirt, but it's not very fast. And we got another red light. Should I do another 0 to 60? What do you guys think? You guys like the 0 to 60s? Let me know. You guys gotta tell me what's up. Whoa. Go, baby, go. Woo! Woo! It's a manual sunroof. You got to do it by hand. It's pretty intense. It's pretty awesome. You got to do everything by hand in this car. That's good. Not a lot of electrical things, so you won't have a lot of electrical problems. Just some little noises here and there. I mean, it's a 2004. A couple scratches, little tiny scratches around the body. Other than that, she's just about perfect. Excellent Honda reliability here. Motor's got a timing chain, not a timing belt, so you don't got to worry about a lot of services. And that is our car. I mean, just so happy to have a car like this in my life. Thanks for sticking around. See you later.